Hey friends, welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic red seal license exam review. This is multiple choice questions set number 8. 10 questions here, and starting with number 1. If 1 pound of water warms to 70 degrees Fahrenheit from 65 degrees Fahrenheit, how much BTU of latent heat is absorbed? A 10, B 15, C 5, D 20. Correct answer is C 5 BTUs. Number 2. How much heat energy in BTU is required to evaporate 1 pound of water? A 370, B 570, C 770, and D 970. Correct answer is D 970 BTUs. Number 3. In the evaporator of an air conditioning and refrigeration system, what does the refrigerant do to the latent heat? A absorbs, B evaporates, C condenses, D releases. Correct answer is A absorbs. Number 4. In the condenser of an air conditioning and refrigeration system, what does the refrigerant do to the latent heat? A absorbs, B evaporates, C condenses, or D releases. Correct answer is D releases. Number 5. The relationship of pressure and temperature in a sealed refrigeration system is A inversely proportional, B random, C equal, D directly proportional. Correct answer is D directly proportional. Number 6. How much heat in BTU is needed to raise 1 pound of ice 1 degree Fahrenheit when the temperature is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit? A 1, B 2, C 1/2, D 3. Correct answer is C 1/2. Number 7. How much heat in BTU is needed to raise 1 pound of steam 1 degree Fahrenheit above temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit? A 1, B 1/2, C 2, D 3. Correct answer is B 1/2. Number 8. 1 ton of refrigeration is the amount of heat required to melt 1 ton of ice at 32 degrees Fahrenheit in how many hours? A 24, B 1, C 12, D 18. Correct answer is A 24 hours. Number 9. Which of the following is equal to 1 ton of refrigeration? A 12,000 BTU per hour, B 200 BTU per minute, C 3.5 kilowatts, D 4.7 horsepower, E, 3024 kilocalories per hour, or F, all of the above? Correct answer is F, all of the above. Number 10. To increase vaporization in a liquid, what must be done with the pressure? A. No change. B. Increase. C. Decrease. D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. Decrease. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something out of this, and cheers and have a good one.